Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we do our last recording of first semester. Yep, looks like it, because we are doing week 16 and 17 in this preview and review of week 16 coming up. We'll call it 16 and 16 and a half or 17, however you want to do that. But here is a very strongly suggested schedule for you. You're watching the video right now. As we get into this week, of course, as always, please check your messages. Please check your grades in the grade book. If you have any questions, the Start Here folder, all that normal stuff that we've gone over. But please, 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 I'm actually going to be pretty gentle on you for this final period over this next week and a half, 2 weeks, because there are so many people that really need to go back and get some past work turned in. So I really hope people take advantage of that and do that. So this final week, actually, we do have a final coming up, which I'm not going to open until Tuesday. And what I'd like you to do on Monday, actually, is to go back and look at the review stuff from last week. Then I will open this, their final test up on Tuesday, where you can take it once as a pretest, take really good notes, and then I want you to go back and review and look at stuff and look stuff up and make sure that when I reopen it again on Thursday, I think it will be, that when you can take it, you can get 100%. And then we have this week 16 feedback discussion, so go over that, and that will be it. You know, as I'll show you, our suggested schedule only goes through Monday the 17th. We will have a couple more days of first semester, but mostly, as I mentioned, I'm looking at people, and you know who you are. Just look at your grade book. I hope you're those of you that need to be are watching this video and really take it to heart. I'm really giving you a chance, and even if you're missing a bunch of stuff and you're not passing the class right now and stuff, you have a chance. So get it done, get stuff turned into me as soon as you can. We will have a hard deadline coming up on the 20th, but if you can try and get it in by the Monday the 17th, Tuesday the 18th, that gives me some time to get some stuff graded and back to you, so you know, did you actually make that line or not, and get the grade that you want to get, because grades count at the end of this first semester. So really important that you do that. Know where you are by looking at your grade book, and yeah, so everyone gets 100% on the final. You should. You have to earn it, but everyone should do that, and you'll have plenty of time in social studies to get stuff in. Wow Wednesday coming up this Wednesday, so I'll see some of you then, and some of you I'll see later. Merry and happy to everyone, and I guess see you next year is kind of the thing. So with that, get to work now. Thanks. Bye.